Hey everyone, today we're checking out this 3.5 cubic foot deep freezer that was sent over to me by Calsar, so I'm going to give some of my thoughts after using it for a while. First thing to mention is the control panel, which goes from 16 degrees Fahrenheit all the way down to -40 degrees, great for long-term storage. And just the control panel allows you to know if the deep freezer is on or off, so a lot of deep freezers don't have that, so that's really nice. There's a manual drain plug on the front left, which is nice and easy to access in case you're doing a manual defrost. There's handles on the front right and left, making easy access to the lid. The freezer comes with two plastic insert baskets, which are 5 3/4 wide by 14 inches long. The interior dimensions of the freezer is 15.5 inches wide as well as long. The depth of the freezer is about 24 inches tall at the deepest and 17 inches on this section where it covers the compressor. Overall, I think this little deep freezer is a great option to have to get some extra space and store up, aside from the standard fridge and freezer setup, and also do shopping a little less frequently, so I give them a good recommendation to check them out.